And at the back there is the Senapata, which is again with the silken ropes. It is being held back by the stout devotees and the Daitas from the back, while another set of devotees who have the ends of the silken rope, they pull him from the front. And in fact, some of the most robust of these Daitas support him with their shoulders on his hand, and then he is steadied. Now he has taken a turn towards the east and right at the top of the 22 step, and he will be in a moment brought down. But you can see that there is a gentle swaying movement, almost like the movement of the elephant, which has been described very beautifully by several of the saint poets in Oriya and also in Sanskrit. You can see a dancer presenting various ceremony. You can see Lord Balabhadra being supported by the Daitas and slowly moving down the 22 steps. You can see that there are distinctive colored flowers, white, then orangish red, and on the top there is a tuft of grass, which is a part of the floral decoration, and the various geometric shapes, circular shapes, then squarish shapes. These are made of the cork, white cork, and then they are tied, they are fixed to a bamboo frame, which is the daya, and then you can see on the head of the deity, at the center of the tiara or the floral crown, a kind of a jewel, kind of something shaped like a jewel, that is known as a chita. It's made of decorative shiny paper, and then there are other things which are fixed to the floral crown. But these crowns have been in this shape and this color scheme, this frame, for time immemorial. And eventually you will find that as he crosses the platform of the chariot, everybody will be eagerly trying to pull a small piece of that tiara and crown, just to carry it home as a memento, as a sacred piece of the ceremony, for it is considered extremely sanctified, extremely auspicious to keep such a piece in one's home. You can see that the Lord is sweating almost, as it were, and some of the colors have been somewhat smudged on the face of the Lord. This is what happens when they are being carried, and as it were the devotees' own anxiety is shared by the deity. Some of the saint poets have described it very beautifully by saying that these deities are ever careful to ensure that no part of the body is injured during this journey, no part of the body receives any hurt during this journey. That's why they surround them from all sides, so that if there is any movement, any difficulty or something, the first hit will be taken by the devotees rather than by it will affect the body of the deity in any way. Here, right at the entrance of the Singhadwara or the Lion's Gate, the eastern main entrance of the temple, the cymbal players and the players of the drum, they are now moving rhythmically, swaying their bodies in unison, in harmony, and they are heralding the ceremonial arrival of the deity. Here you get a view of the deity in his full glory just before he enters the inside of the Gumuta or the tower of the gate, which is the eastern gate, and he is being steadied by the devotees, and he is being fanned by a few others with ceremonial fans, and others with fly whisks or alato, chamaro. These are the typical names, because they are also not merely the deities, but they are also treated like royalty and like a royal person traveling. They are given all the facilities and all the comfort. Here you can see the goddess Lakshmi with the two elephants seated on a lotus, and below that the floral decoration. That image of goddess Lakshmi is at the entrance of the temple, and this is of course this is always visible, but from the surface of the Gummuta or the cover, the layer of a white layer which was covering the main stone of the spire have since been removed, and now the inside is displayed, and a few cracks have been noticed which will be repaired during the Ratha Jatra. Since the deities do not remain in the temple, it's little easier for taking up the repairs right inside the main temple also. Of course, the work on the Singhadwara is something which has been taken up for the first time after the plaster has been removed, and here you can see the ceremonial fan being sort of moved in 40A. You can see also the holy basil being carried by a devotee in a container, bamboo container, and here is a small chhatri being brought forward. And to carry on the commentary in Hindi, I now hand over to Sri Ashok Pandey.
धन्यवाद सुभाष। यह विहंगावलोकन श्री मंदिर का भगवान जगन्नाथ जहां अपने रत्न वेदी पर विराजमान रहते हैं, आज आषाढ़ शुक्ल द्वितीया के दिन अपने पतित पावन यात्रा के लिए निकल रहे हैं। आज के यात्रा से जुड़ी हुई अलग अलग चरणों में पहला पहंडी विजय शुरू हो चुका है और भगवान बलभद्र पहंडी के साथ अपने भक्तों के बीच घिरे हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। मैं अपने सहयोगियों के उस बात को और आगे बढ़ाना चाहता हूं। बलभद्र शब्द का प्रयोग यहां पर बल यानी ताकत, और बलभद्र जी की पहंडी शुरू हो गई है। मैंने अपने दर्शकों को पहले ही बताया था कि यह कोई धार्मिक अनुष्ठान मात्र नहीं है, यह रथ यात्रा एक सांस्कृतिक महोत्सव है। यहाँ जो भी आप देख रहे हैं खास करके पौराणिक आध्यात्मिक महत्व है, और यही कारण है कि भगवान जगन्नाथ जो यहाँ रहते हैं कलयुग में, इस प्रदेश को महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ का देश कहा जाता है और इस जगन्नाथपुरी को मर्त वैकुंठ कहा जाता है। यह जो दृश्य देख रहे हैं, भगवान जगन्नाथ के बड़े भाई बलभद्र, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं पारिवारिक परंपरा यही है कि सबसे बड़े भाई को हम सम्मान देते हैं, उनका आदर करते हैं और उनकी यात्रा के बाद ही हम अपनी यात्रा शुरू करते हैं। इन भक्तों को जो आप देख रहे हैं, जो तेलंगी बाजा के साथ, वाद्य यंत्र के साथ आपके मॉनिटर सेट पर दिखाई दे रहे हैं, यह परंपरागत वाद्य यंत्र भगवान जगन्नाथ के लगभग 1000 वर्षों की सेवा का प्रतिफल है। हर वर्ष इस तरह की सेवाओं में ये आनंद लेते हैं। गोट पुआ नृत्य, यह भी परंपरा का एक सुंदर दृश्य जिसे आप देख रहे हैं। कितनी उल्लास, कितना उत्साह, कितना आत्मबल, और इस दृश्य को देखकर हमारे दर्शक जरूर खुश होंगे, क्योंकि भक्ति का यह अथाह सागर है, यह त्रिवेणी है, दर्शन का, धर्म का और ज्ञान का। ऐसा त्रिवेणी संसार में देखने को नहीं मिले। यह है उड़ीसा की लोक चित्रकला का अद्भुत नजारा। भगवान जगन्नाथ के बड़े भाई बलभद्र जी पहंडी विजय करके रथारूढ़ होने के लिए तैयार, और सेवायत उनके भक्त उनकी सेवा में अपने अपने अलग अलग कर्तव्य का प्रदर्शन करते हैं। अभी फिलहाल आप देख रहे हैं किस उत्साह और उल्लास के साथ